Welcome to my YouTube video about fascinating facts about Gothenburg. From its green initiatives and canals reminiscent of Venice to being the birthplace of Volvo and the enchanting Gothenburg Archipelago, this Swedish gem is brimming with captivating stories. Discover the vibrant Liseberg amusement park, delve into the world of arts at the Opera House, and embark on a Paddan boat tour. Join me as we explore the charm and wonders of Gothenburg in this exciting journey of discovery. Number 1. Gothenburg Archipelago. Just off the coast of Gothenburg lies an enchanting archipelago composed of over 20 small islands. These picturesque islands offer visitors a tranquil escape from the bustling city and are a haven for nature lovers, hikers, and water sports enthusiasts. Ferries regularly transport visitors to these islands, where they can explore beautiful landscapes, swim in the refreshing sea, and enjoy the unique charm of each island. Number 2. Liseberg. Liseberg is one of Scandinavia's largest and most popular amusement parks, located right in the heart of Gothenburg. With over 40 exhilarating rides, including roller coasters, water attractions, and carousels, Liseberg promises a fun-filled experience for visitors of all ages. The park also hosts various concerts, shows, and events throughout the year, making it a vibrant entertainment destination. Number 3. Gothenburg Opera House. As a cultural hub, Gothenburg boasts an impressive opera house that attracts music and theater enthusiasts from around the world. The building's unique design resembles a modern ship and is situated along the Gotha River. The opera house stages a wide range of performances, from classic operas and ballets to contemporary productions, making it a must-visit venue for arts and culture aficionados. Number 4. Universeum. Universeum is an interactive science center and museum that provides a hands-on learning experience for visitors of all ages. This fascinating attraction features several themed exhibitions, including the tropical rainforest, an ocean zone with marine life, a space-themed area, and much more. It's a fantastic place for families and curious minds to engage in educational and entertaining activities. Number 5. Gotaplatsen Square. This iconic square is a cultural hub in Gothenburg and home to several prominent landmarks, including the Gothenburg Museum of Art, the Gothenburg Concert Hall, and the City Theatre. The square is an architectural marvel with beautiful buildings, sculptures, and fountains. It serves as a gathering place for locals and tourists alike, offering a vibrant atmosphere and a glimpse into the city's artistic heritage. Number 6. The Paddan Tour. A Paddan boat tour is a popular way to explore the historic canals and waterways of Gothenburg. These guided tours take visitors on a leisurely journey through the city, passing by picturesque landmarks, ancient buildings, and hidden gems. The knowledgeable guides share intriguing stories and historical facts about Gothenburg, making it an informative and enjoyable experience. Number 7. Haga District. Haga is a charming and trendy neighborhood in Gothenburg, known for its cobblestone streets, colorful wooden houses, and bohemian atmosphere. The area is home to numerous cafes, boutiques, and antique shops, making it an excellent spot to stroll around, enjoy a cup of coffee, and immerse yourself in the city's relaxed ambience. Number 8. Green City. Gothenburg, located on the west coast of Sweden, is renowned for its green initiatives and sustainable urban planning. The city is home to numerous parks, gardens, and green spaces, including the Slottsskogen Park, which is one of the city's largest and most popular recreational areas. Additionally, Gothenburg has made significant efforts to promote cycling, with an extensive network of bike lanes and bike-sharing programs, making it one of the most bike-friendly cities in the world. Number 9. Canals and Bridges. Often referred to as the Venice of the North, Gothenburg boasts an intricate network of canals and numerous picturesque bridges. The city's canal system, known as the Gotha River, not only adds to the city's charm, but also serves as a vital transportation route for both commercial and recreational purposes. Tourists can take boat trips to explore the city from a unique perspective, gliding through its waterways and getting a glimpse of Gothenburg's beautiful architecture along the shore. Number 10. Volvo's birthplace. Car enthusiasts might find it fascinating that Gothenburg is the birthplace of the renowned automobile manufacturer Volvo. The company was founded in 1927 in the city's Hisingen area and has since become one of the world's leading car manufacturers, known for its commitment to safety and innovation. For those interested in the automotive industry, the Volvo Museum in Gothenburg offers a captivating journey through the brand's history, showcasing a collection of classic and modern Volvo cars. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and entertaining. I value your feedback and suggestions, so I'd love to hear from you. What topics or content would you like to see in my future videos? Is there something specific you'd like me to explore or discuss? Your input will help shape the direction of this channel and ensure that I continue to create content that you enjoy. So please leave a comment below and let me know what you want to watch next. Together, we can make this channel even better. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, take care and keep exploring.